Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Alienware 18 Area-51 gaming laptop, one of the most powerful desktop replacement laptops of 2025. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we dive into the benchmarks and full hands-on, be sure to check the link below for the best available pricing. Alienware laptops go fast when they drop. Wrench emoji, specs that mean business. This laptop doesn't play around. Check out the hardware powering this monster. Brain emoji, processor, Intel Ultra 9275HX, 24-core, up to 5.4 GHz turbo, extreme multitasking and AI accelerated performance. Video game emoji, graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7, handles 4K ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and max settings with ease. Desktop computer emoji. Display, 18 inches WQXGA, 2560 by 1600 300 Hz, ultra smooth, ultra sharp, G-Sync ready. Brain emoji, memory, 32GB DDR5 RAM, smooth streaming, editing, and pro-level gaming. High voltage sign emoji, storage, 1TB NVMe SSD, fast boots, quick level loads, and plenty of room for AAA titles. Meridian globe emoji, connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt, HDMI, USB-C, high-speed connections for everything. Ice emoji, design, bold Alienware chassis with RGB lighting, advanced airflow, and vapor chamber cooling. Window emoji, OS, Windows 11, optimized for next-gen gaming and productivity. Video game emoji, real-world gaming and workload tests. We didn't hold back. This laptop was stress-tested with AAA titles, streaming, and creative software. Call of Duty, MW3, 2.5K Ultra, DLSS, 220 to 250 FPS buttery-smooth. Cyberpunk 2077, RT Ultra, DLSS 3.5, 90 plus FPS with ray tracing on. Valorant, CS2, Apex Legends, competitive settings, easily hits 280 to 300 FPS, taking full advantage of that 300 Hz screen. Adobe Premiere Pro, Blender, Unreal Engine 5, render times dropped by up to 50% over previous gen rigs. Thermals, vapor chamber and smart cooling kept the system under control even under max load. This machine is built for gaming, streaming, editing, and dominating everything in between. Green circle emoji, pros. White check mark emoji, RTX 5080 equals elite 4K and 2.5K gaming with DLSS 3.5. White check mark emoji, Intel Ultra 9275HX equals serious horsepower for multitasking and creative apps. White check mark emoji, 18 inches 300 Hz WQXGA screen equals sharp, smooth, responsive. White check mark emoji, premium Alienware build, iconic design plus excellent airflow. White check mark emoji, excellent keyboard, trackpad, and port selection. Red circle emoji, cons. Cross mark emoji, it's heavy, not ideal for frequent travel, but expected for an 18 rig. Cross mark emoji, battery life is average, desktop level hardware means you'll want to stay plugged in for long sessions. Cross mark emoji, premium pricing, but worth it for the raw specs and Alienware polish. Shopping cart emoji, final verdict. The Alienware 18 Area-51 gaming laptop is a no-compromise machine. It's massive, powerful, and designed for gamers and content creators who want nothing less than high-end desktop-class performance in a, mostly, portable package. If you want the most power you can possibly get in a gaming laptop right now, this is one of the top-tier machines in 2025. Push bin emoji, hit the link in the description to check the best price available now. This flagship beast doesn't stay in stock long.